What's up, Peak Timers? It's case unboxing time, and this time we've got the 2019 Hot Wheels M case. And if you guys thought the previous case was good, wait till you see what the M case brings you. There's a lot of really cool new cars in here, including the brand new Lamborghini Aventador J. And we're hoping we get the super treasure hunt for the Aventador J, which is the super treasure hunt for this case. Let's go ahead and unbox it here. And we'll start things off right at the top right here. And check that out. That is very weird. We've got three air eruptions. So yeah, that's pretty weird to see three cars all stacked together right off the bat. But there we have it. And up top we've got the Street Creeper. And this is the regular one. It's not a super treasure hunt as far as I can tell. And below that, we've got the brand new Nissan Skyline 2000 GTR Recolor in the red and white police edition. And another amazing Recolor. This one I was really looking forward to. The 96 Porsche Carrera Recolor. Love the blue with white. You guys know how much I'm a fan of blue with the white wheels. It looks very cool. We saw a Porsche 934.5 previously released with that color variation. And we've got a brand new another color variation here. We've got the Pagani Huayra. This is kind of like it looks like a matte black. No, it's probably looks like a shiny black. We'll have to open it up and get a closer look, but it's got the Brembo on the side. We got the Mustang funny car, the 1970 Ford Escort Rs 1600. Put those aside. Next up, we've got the 84 Audi Sport Quattro. That's a Recolor. We've got the 64 Chevelle SS. I like those wheels. Those wheels look really good on it. And we've got the Cyber Speeder right there. There we go, Cyber Speeder. We'll put those down. And we'll go to our next ones here. We've got the King Cuda. We've got Fast Fish. And we've got TV series Batmobile. We've seen lots of recolors of the TV series Batmobile, but it's a cool casting. What else do we have up top? Here we have got dropping cars. I might as well pick this one up, we'll add it to it. Here we've got the 67 Mustang Coupe, Ford Mustang Coupe. Check that out, that is an art core series. Wow, that is crazy for color. All right, and we've got Crescendo. We've got another one of the Nissan Skyline 2000 GTRs and Hyper Rocker. And we go on to our next ones. We've got a funny car, the Mustang funny car, and the Grupo X24. And after that, we've got the 55 Chevy Belair Gasser. This has been a really popular collectible casting. The Custom 01 Acura Integra GSR and the Fair Lady 2000, new color variation of that one. I'll put those ones down there. We've got Buns of Steel, brand new color variation. We've got the 1970 Ford Escort Rs 1600, and one that I've been really waiting for, the brand new color variation of the McLaren 720S. Love this casting, check it out, beautiful. We'll open this one up in a future episode. Below those, we've got Lamborghini Countach police car, the blue variation. We've got the Electro Silhouette, and we've got the Twin Mill Gen E. Check that one out. All right. After that, we've got another one of the Pagani Huayras. We've got the 66 Chevy Nova and the Custom 01 Acura Integra GSR. All right, we'll put those down. And we've got the 2016 BMW M2, and there is the Lamborghini Aventador J, and this one is not the super, it's the standard variation, but still very cool casting. Loving the recolor of that casting. Then we've got the Tread Shredder. That looks like a new color variation of that one. We'll put those ones aside. We'll go down to the bottom of the box now. What do we have here on this half? I can see we've got lots of cool ones. There is another one of the 2016 Lamborghini Centenario Roadsters. We've seen this one in previous cases, but such a gorgeous looking casting. Then we've got the 69 Ford Torino Talladega and another one of the Twin Mill Gen E's. All right, and we'll reach on over, we'll grab one of these here. We've got Island Hopper helicopter. That's interesting. Sometimes we get lots of helicopters and airplanes in the cases mixed in. Electro Silhouette, another one of those, and the Speed Spider, which looks like a spider. You can see on the top there all the legs of it. All right, we'll put that one aside. And we've got the Porsche Panamera Turbo SE Hybrid Sport Turismo, one of the longest named Hot Wheels cars. And we've got 2 of the 71 El Caminos. There we go. What else do we have up top here? I'm gonna reach down, pull a bunch out here. We've got the custom Ford Maverick. We've got the Chrysler Pacifica, that's a new one. There we go, Chrysler Pacifica, and the Speed Spider, another one of those ones. Put these ones on this side here. And we've got the 2019 Mercedes-Benz A-Class, the white one, like that casting, and a gorgeous recolor of the 2017 Audi RS6 Avant. One of my favorite castings from last year. Very, very cool. And this is a recolor of the Mad Props. There it is, white. It's got the Hot Wheels on there. Very cool, I'm liking that one. All right, what do we have up here? We've got another one of the 84 Audi Sport Quattros. We've got the custom Ford Maverick, another one of those, and the Hyper Rocker. And below that, we've got cool combi in that matte white. We've got the heavy hitcher, and we have got the I Believe fantasy casting. There we go. What do we have down here? Ooh, check that one out. Very nice metallic sparkly Aston Martin DBS. That's a brand new recolor, another one of the I Believes, and another 2019 Mercedes-Benz A-Class. All right, and after that, we've got another cool combi in the matte whites. We've got the Skull Crusher, and we've got the Beat All. And I think the Skull Crusher might be a glow-in-the-dark one, if I'm not mistaken. Kind of looks like the glow-in-the-dark. We'll have to test that one out. And what else do we have down here? We've got new color variation of the 2011 Dodge Charger RT, black and blue. I like that one. Great highlights on that one. We've got the 2016 Bmw M2 and the 55 Chevy Belair Gasser. And we've got the King Cuda. We've got the Hover and Out. And we've got the Lamborghini Aventador J, and again, not the Super, so it doesn't look like we'll have the supercharger hunt in this case, but that's okay. We've got the main lens of it. And what else do we have down here? Our last 3 cars. We've got another one of the Lamborghini Countach police cars. We've got the Turbone Charge. That's a interesting casting. I think that's a new one. And another one of the TV series Batmobiles. All right, guys, opening up a brand new Hot Wheels case. The hardest part is deciding which ones are my favorites. I've narrowed them down to these 6 cars. We've got the 96 Porsche Carrera, brand new blue. We've got the Aston Martin DBS in that new sparkly color, loving that. Then we have got the 2017 Audi RS6 Avant, new color variation, as well as the Pagani Huayra, brand new color variation. And after that, the 2 highlights of the case, of course, the brand new McLaren 720S in that sparkly purple, and we've got the Lamborghini Aventador J, brand new color variation of those ones as well. Let me know in the comments down below, were any of these 6 your guys' favorite, or did you have another car in the case that was your favorite? I will catch you guys on the next one. Bye-bye.